Introduction to Coding Challenge Patterns.
Coding challenges in technical assessments often follow familiar patterns. Understanding these patterns can dramatically improve your problem-solving skills and interview performance. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 most common coding challenge patterns and offer tips on how to approach and master them.
Pattern 1, Sliding Window.
The sliding window pattern is used for problems that involve finding a subarray or substring meeting specific criteria, such as maximum sum or target length. Instead of repeatedly checking all possible subarrays, you move a window over the array to maintain current information. This approach saves time and is efficient for many array and string problems.
Pattern 2, Two Pointers.
The two pointers technique works well for sorted arrays or linked lists. You place 2 pointers at different positions and move them toward each other or along the collection to find pairs or reverse sequences. This pattern is commonly used in merging, partitioning, or searching for combinations that meet a target value.
Pattern 3, Fast and Slow Pointers.
The fast and slow pointers pattern detects cycles in linked lists or arrays and helps find the middle of a collection. While one pointer advances 1 step at a time, the second pointer moves faster. The point where they eventually meet or fail to meet reveals important information about the data's structure.
Pattern 4, Hash Table for Lookup.
Using a hash table is a powerful way to store and quickly look up data. This pattern appears in challenges where you need to count occurrences, check for duplicates, or find pairs that sum to a target. Hash tables make these operations efficient, turning potentially slow searches into instant lookups.
Pattern 5, Depth First and Breadth First Search.
Depth First Search, or DFS, and Breadth First Search, or BFS, are foundational strategies for exploring trees, graphs, or grids. DFS dives deep into paths, while BFS explores level by level. Mastering these approaches opens the door to solving problems involving connectivity, shortest paths, and traversals.
Mastering Patterns for Success.
Grasping these coding challenge patterns will help you solve problems faster and with more confidence. By practicing these approaches, you'll be better prepared for technical assessments and interviews. Focus on recognizing which pattern fits each problem and develop your ability to apply them efficiently.